What if the customer take multiple products out of the fridge in a time? Actually, there is a limit each time we open the fridge. For most of the country, it's about $50. If the total value is below $50, we can take multiple products out of the fridge in a time, and the total value will be deducted from the count. Question will be, what if customer take more than $50? Yes, the answer is we can deduct only $50, but we can add a camera and you can add a sticker. You are under the camera, please smile.